Today you had to do number 1 and number 2. 1, 3, and 4. 1, 3, and 4. En nommer 1 het ek vir julle gesê, the first thing you will do is go and write it like this. Okay, so when I'm looking for my quadrants, I'm going to say looking at this one, sign is negative in which two quadrants? Which is in quadrant 3 and 4. Don't say quadrant cos and tan. What does that mean? Okay. En dan cos is positief in which two quadrants? 1 and 4. Okay? So, in which quadrant am I going to draw this one? Fourth quadrant. And I'm going to work with the angle theta there. Gaan maak asof theta daar lê. And then I'm going to fill in the values. Sine of theta is opposite over hypotenuse. Which one of them will get the negative? The hypotenuse can never, ever, ever be negative. And y is negative in the fourth quadrant. Y is mos negatief in die vierde kwadrant. So hy moet dit kry. Okay, en dan as ons die ander ene gaan uitwerk, dan kom ons hier by 3 uit. Will it be positive or negative 3? Positive 3, want in die vierde kwadrant is x positief. And now that I've done all of that, now I can answer the question. So tan theta times cos theta. Lees gou vir my die waarde van tan af. And does it make sense to us that that is negative? Yes, because only cos is positive in the fourth quadrant. En dan cosin, lees hom gou vir my af. Once again, does it make sense that that is positive? Ja, want cos is positief in die vierde kwadrant. So as ek hom gaan vereenvoudig, kom ek by minus 4 op 5 uit. What's wrong, Saida? Nommer 3 gaan ek eers so gaan skryf. Tan van theta is 3 oor 7. Dividing by 7 on both sides. And then they also tell you that cos of theta is bigger than 0. Meaning that, oopsie. What do we have there? We have tan positive, which is in which two quadrants? 1 and 3. En hier het ons cos positief en wat se twee kwadrante? So met ander woorde, ek gaan my hoek hier gaan teken. Okay, theta lê daar, so 3 goes there and 7 goes there. Almal seker hoe ek daarby uitgekom het? Y is gelyk aan 3, x is gelyk aan 7. Which gives me root 58 here. Los hom vir my as wortel 58, moet hom nie gaan skryf as 7,61 wat ek al nie. No, x is positive in the first quadrant. Nee? Okay, goed. En dan het ons die hele ding wat ons hier moes gaan aflees. Okay, I'm going to divide that up into the top divided by the bottom. So lees gou vir my aan die bokant af sin theta. Good. Good. Ek gaan hulle so skryf en dan gedeel deur 2 maal sin theta het ons klaar afgelees is 3 op wortel 35. Nee, 58. Okay, just so that you guys see what I'm doing here. I did that there. And that there. Nee, want is makliker om te deel so. Solank jy net nêrens jou saakrekenaar gebruik het nie. Ja. Okay. Goed, so as ons hierdie stukkie vereenvoudig. Do you guys agree with that? Nee, wat hulle noemers, ja, hulle noemers is mos klaar dieselfde. Gedeel deur hierdie gaan wees 6 op daai. And if I'm dividing by a fraction, I multiply with the reciprocal. So my answer is 5 over 3. Because this and this cancels out. So then you have to do that part. You have to do that part. Unfortunately, that's maths. You can't say, I'm not good at doing this part of math, so. I'm not, that's why I put the whole thing in my calculator, but I would still use my calculator to check whether my answer is correct, but you need to write out the steps. Practice it. Nee? Okay, en dan nommer 4, die laaste ene wat julle moes gedoen het. Almal seker hoe ek by minus 3 op 5 uitgekom het? You take over the 3 and it becomes negative, and then you divide it by 5. En dan sê hulle ook vir jou, hy lê tussen 180 en 360. Now, it's the first time we have one like that, but I hope it made sense to you guys. I start off by looking for cos negative. In which two quadrants will cos be negative? In the second one and the okay. And then where am I between 180 and 360? 3 and 4. Nee? Goed, met ander woorde, ek teken hom in hierdie kwadrant. Gonna work with theta there, which means it's 3 and 5. One of them has to be negative. Which one will it be? 3. Why the 3? And also, x is negative. That's actually why. Okay, and then I use Pythagoras to solve that. This one is 4. Why is the 4 negative? Y is negative in the third quadrant. Maak seker daarvan, hè, graad 11s. Okay, en dan sê hulle vir jou, jy moet die waarde vind van 3 tan theta plus 25 sin kwadraat theta. Okay, lees of my tan van theta af. Minus 4 over minus 3, which becomes 4 over 3. Nou vra jy weer vir jouself, maak het sin dat tan positief is in die derde kwadrant? Zaid, word wakker. Hy sit so. Ja, juffrou. Ja, juffrou. Is die pepperspray? Laat dit vir jou les wees. Moenie weer pepperspray in die gange spuit nie. Okay, lees gou vir my sin af. Lees net vir my sin af. En jy gaan daai hele breek moet kwadreer. So jy moet hom negatief aflees. It has to be negative when you read it off. But when we square it, it's going to become positive. So that just leaves over a 4. And here we have 25 times 16 over 25. We've got 4 plus 16, which is 20.